See, I told you, you're doing a good job. See, God made a man just for the job, and that's you. Cause I'll be damn. I get up there. Look at man. You got to be out your mind. You got the Grand Reaper sticking on, but I don't see how you do it. I don't see how you do it. You got the Grand Reaper sword, taller than 4 houses put together, stacked on top of each other.
Yeah, what I'm supposed to be doing right here. What side you need? What? What side go up there? What you talking about, bro? The rope. Size you need? Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, what I'm supposed to be doing right here. Huh? This right here. You stand down. And I handle down here. That's it.